I'm speechless. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and today I come to you with a review of a movie which left me speechless because of its sheer awesomeness. The movie I'm talking about is the Malayalam movie Virus, which released last year, but unfortunately where I was residing, the movie didn't get a theatrical release there. But thanks to the streaming platforms, I could finally watch this movie yesterday on Amazon Prime and uh, I am just dumbfounded. How are you making such amazing movies? I mean, Kerala, I love you. So this movie is inspired by the true events which gripped the state of Kerala, specifically its district Kozhikode, when the deadly Nipah virus outbreak took place in May of 2018. The story specifically centers around how the state was able to curb this virus at its very early stage by taking strict measures. I also remember specifically when the outbreak happened in Kerala in May 2018, it was all over the news, but the way they contained the virus, the way they completely ensured the safety of the people of their state was not only lauded by our own country but also by the WHO. This movie is such a fitting tribute to all these unsung heroes who ensured the safety of the people and ensured that the virus doesn't spread throughout the state. Absolutely nothing. There is nothing that I didn't like about this movie. From here on, I'm going to just sing praises about this movie. This is a star-studded film. I mean, it has a huge ensemble cast like Revati, Parvati, Tovino, Asif, Indrajit, just to name a few. This movie is packed with powerful performers. But what really impressed me about this movie is not the star cast. Of course, it's a huge ensemble star cast and they are all amazing performers. But their star power took the back seat here and amazing writing and direction took the front seat here. That is what drove this movie to the next level. The way this movie is written and narrated and directed is some of the most quality stuff that I've seen in a film in a very long time. The attention to detail that has been given in the movie in terms of explaining the audience that how the virus spread, how the virus came about, how community spread happens, how quarantine happens, what steps are taken by the government, what people go through, what the patients go through, what the doctors go through, everything. Every detail has been so clearly explained to the audience that after the movie ended, that's why I'm saying I was completely speechless and dumbfounded at how good the writing was for this movie. The balance that has been shown in the movie in terms of how logically the government officials are and the health workers are ensuring to curb the spread of its virus, and the other side is the emotion, what a person goes through, what the families go through, the emotional connect with the audience. The balance was just perfect. For example, there is a scene with Asif Ali who plays the character of Vishnu and he goes to the hospital to see his wife who is quarantined. And when he sees her body, the way he breaks down is just, it's so emotional. The scene is not overdone, it's just perfect. It's what humans go through in reality and I could just feel for him, and there are many such scenes like that. Another example of attention to detail which just comes right in my mind is the opening sequence of the movie, where it is shown like the day-to-day life of the hospital, how doctors are working, patients coming in. It's like just a chaotic scene, but it is so well done and directed. That is why I'm saying that the narration, the direction, the writing has taken the front seat in this movie. Adding to the amazing direction and writing comes in the background score given by Sushil Shyam, which is just taking the movie to another level. That is what I'm saying. Every detail and every aspect of this movie, direction, writing, music, editing, cinematography, performances, is just top notch. I loved the pace of the movie. The editing done by Sridharan is absolutely fantastic and every actor have gotten their shine. So I think that's a credit to the editor as well as the director Ashik Babu, because be it Revati, Parvati, Tovino, Asif, be it any actor, everybody has got good screen time and they were able to showcase their performance and actually create an impact. So job well done. I think the reason that this movie impacted me so much after I watched it is because, well, we are in midst of a pandemic right now and these are really testing and trying times. But this movie is proof that with the right steps taken, the correct measures taken, and when as a community we are determined to curb something and we are determined to do something right, it can happen, and it is such a positive film to watch that's why I think it really impacted me. As individuals also, we have to take larger responsibility, ensuring that we are staying safe, we are staying indoors, going out whenever necessary, maintaining our hygiene standards, because these are tough times, but there is always hope, and hope is the only thing that drives us. So yeah, that brings me to the end of my video. This was the review for the movie Virus. Please do watch it if you haven't. It's streaming on Amazon Prime, and I will be reviewing more content. I am getting suggestions, so thank you for all the things that you are suggesting to me. Please do like, share and comment. Let me know what you think about this film, and don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video. Bye bye.